What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about clean with me and organize my kitchen. So here I have myself, I made myself blocks where I pick specific days of the week to do one task from the house so I don't overwhelm myself. So today's task was to clean the kitchen and scrub the counters, clean appliances and all that. I will definitely do a separate video letting you know how I work around the block system, where I just pick one task at a day so I don't overwhelm myself at the end of the weekend and I cannot enjoy myself. So we are going to be cleaning out the fridge. I'm going to be emptying out the dishwasher. I'm just gonna make sure that my kitchen is well prepared for the rest of the week. And the Wednesdays are pretty much when I do my kitchen. And Thursdays is when I pick something from the house and I reorganize it or organize it if I have not yet. So here I'm just pretty much emptying, like I said, my dishwasher. I have the day before dishes that I left. Normally we don't leave dishes out, but since I knew that once it was my day to clean the kitchen, I said, you know what, I'll do the dishes tomorrow. So here I'm just pretty much prepping. I removed everything from the back counter because that's where I'm going to start cleaning after I finish my dishes. So I'm just going to do my dishes, just pretty much clean everything, and then from there we move on to the other parts of the kitchen. So here I am just removing everything from the countertops, and I like to spray it with Lysol. I feel like I don't clean if I don't use Lysol. So I first use Lysol on all my counters and even on the stovetop and also in the back wall where the tiles are at. Sometimes it can get very dirty. So I just go back and put everything that belongs in that back counter. I put it back over there to remove everything from the front counter, and I can clean my front counter. So I had some flowers there. My husband got me for Valentine's Day. They're already dead. So now I spray Lysol on all the counter up front. And it's a big counter, just that I'm showing you a little piece. So I just pretty much wipe it clean with a towel, paper towel, and I remove everything from the top. And then I move on to cleaning the appliances. These are stainless steel appliances, and I use a stainless steel spray to kind of like shine it and make sure that all the smudges, finger smudges, and all the stains from an everyday life are removed off my appliances. I also do it to the handles of the microwave, as well as to the dishwasher and the handles of the faucet. The handles of the faucet, the faucet as well. And then I go in with Mrs. Meyer's. This one is the for scent. I love when I use this. It leaves my kitchen smelling clean, and I love it. Then I move on to folding my white towels I washed on Tuesdays. I normally wash my white towels and color towels on Tuesdays, but I didn't have any color towels, so I just washed white towels. So I bring my chunky monkey into the bed, and he watches me fold my white towels away, and I like folding them in like a round position. It kind of keeps it from getting too messy in the linen closet, and I'm able to see what I have. So I'm just, like I said, I'm just here folding the towels and I'm putting them away while my little baby is watching mommy do all this. Then I just come in here and talk to him for a little bit, and he talks back, and we have a good time. So after this, it comes Thursday, and Thursday is pretty much what I pick a place from the house to organize if I have not yet, or reorganize it if I organized it a couple of weeks before. I have not yet to organize under my kitchen sink, and I thought this would be great for this Thursday block, or because since I cleaned the kitchen and I recorded, I thought it would be great to add it to this video. So I am here removing everything from under my kitchen sink, and I am cleaning the cabinets, and I am using these shoe organizers from the container store. These you will see across my house when it comes to organizing, because I feel like they are super cute and you are able to see what's inside. I feel like when it's out of sight, it's out of mind, and the more you keep, the more clutter you're gonna have. So I use this drawer to pretty much put everything that is cleaning related. Like I put my baking soda, I put the things that I use to clean the dishwasher, the sponges, and all the extras to clean everything that has to do with cleaning. Then baskets are also going to be your best friend when it comes to organizing. So this basket I picked up, I'm pretty sure at Walmart or maybe the Dollar Tree, and they're very inexpensive. And I'm just folding KonMari method the towels. Then I'm placing the trash bags in the front because I use that on an everyday basis pretty much. And then on top of here I'm applying my cleaning supplies, and then here I like to put and keep my paper towels to know what I have and what I have to buy. But I feel like the less you keep, the better it looks. So here is the transformation, and I just feel super happy with it because it works for me. And yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you guys want to see more clean with me, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to let you guys go ahead and see what I did with this counter.